Hey guys, welcome to your very first Chakra UI tutorial. That's one of the series where you will learn everything about Chakra UI. So let's get started. So first and foremost, what exactly is Chakra UI? Chakra UI is a component library for React.js which gives you access to all of its pre-built and pre-style UI React components like the button, the inputs, etc. There are a bunch of interactive components such as the tab, tools, tooltips, and the model, etc. And if you've ever used Material UI before, it's something like that, but except that Material UI uses material design concepts. So Chakra UI gives us a really quick and easy way to mark up React website using these pre-built components, so we don't have to make them from scratch. The downside of that is that most of the functionality and design of these components are predefined, which make your website start to feel a little bit generic the more you use them. So Chakra UI helps a lot on the UI and also helps to speed things up. Plus, it gives you the option to customize pretty much anything from the default Chakra theme to give you your site a custom look. You can also use something called the style prop. If I come down here and click on the style prop to change or add styles to each pre-made component individually. So there's a lot of flexibility with the library. So in this class, I'm going to teach you the basics of Chakra UI and how to use some of the different components to make this simple and dashboard UI with no functionality. I'm also going to show you how you can also customize the component using style prop like I explained initially, and also extend and change the default Chakra theme to give it a different themes. And by the end of this course, you should be in a good place to be able to confidently add Chakra to your own React project. I believe you know the basics of React before you start this course. If you don't know anything about React, this is not the best place to start learning. So I've created the course files for this playlist, and you can find them on the GitHub repo. The link to the repo is in the description of the video. You are going to find access to each of the different lessons here. So if you want to see or download any of the code lesson, you can select one of the branch from the drop down, then you can click on the code here and click on the download zip file right here. So to get started with this project, I've created a startup project which is here. So instead of installing the downloaded React, create React app, I've already created the boilerplate code here. So just come over here and click on the download zip file. So once it's downloaded, you can open the file, then unzip it. So once you've unzipped the project folder, go inside it and open up the project folder in whatever code editor you prefer. I'm using VS Code. So first, we need to install all of the package dependency, because when we download something from GitHub, it does not come with Node.js module folder, and all of this are inside it. So to install, open the terminal. So my terminal is already open, and you want to type in npm install. So I'll quickly do that. So install, and that will go ahead and download and install all the dependencies. So after installing the dependencies, you should have a node module folder right here. So let's go over the project. So if you come over to the LSOC folder and click on the main.js, this is the entry of the file. You can see that the project is wrapped with the crate of the root, which is assigned to the root ID in the HTML file. Then let's go back to the app.js. Come over to the app.js. You see that we are creating router differently. We are using a create browser router, which wraps these routes, and then the router is being passed to the router provider. So we also nest the routes with the routes parts here and link to the app layout. Then when you go into the app layout, you see that it's pretty much empty, but you just have the outlets, which if you come over to the app layers, all these elements here, their content is being passed down into this app layer. So the app layer wraps each of any of these elements. So that is, if you come over to the pages, you see we have the accounts page, the dashboards, most of them are pre-MC, and the new text. There, we also have the data. We will see the dummy data, because it pretty much have a lot of data here we use for projects. Then the public folder, nothing much here. I'm not actually using these images here, so I already have avatar images from this website. So then so I'm going to run npm run this. Go over to your terminal at 10 p.m. to 1. Yeah. Hopefully everything should work. I should be able to preview them on browser. So once it's completed, just copy the URL and let's put it browser. So just trace the income. It looks like it's working now. We can see that we have the dashboard, and if we go over to Slack, accounts or slash stats, let's push Slack accounts. See it here. Let's put them above. So I see that the Chakra UI website, Chakra UI for package is not here to reflect on the depths on the application. Well, if you come over to install Chakra UI or widgets, we need to come over here and click and just please search for Chakra UI. So we'll click you. Once you search and you click on the first link, come over to get started. Just remember how to install it, but you've already have the fan pages inside the country button tutorial. I've already added the Chakra UI and package inside. But the other thing is that we've now been able to add the provider to the main .js. So the next step to do is to come over here and copy its Chakra provider from here. Then go over to your project and let's paste it here. Let's paste it above here. Then let's add the provider here. Use it to wrap up the application. Position it soon. You should see that Chakra UI is already platform. So come over to your project. I can see it. To test it, let's come over to the pages folder. Let's click on the dashboard and let's change these two drops X. I see that we have the X. The file what's the X image. So I can find alright. I'm actually trying to create a coral thread. This is in the trouble weapon. Then coral message. Just watch. You see, it's working. So, stay in the